Hey, what's going on? You got your man Van here, gonna scrub down the lenses with some toothpaste. Does toothpaste really work? That's what I'm wondering. So hey, get my scrubber out, scrub a dub. I'm scrubbing. Let's see if this really works. Let's see if it's gonna take it from ashy to classy. Give it a little wipe down here. Let's see what we got going here. Look at that. What? What? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? It worked. How about that? Just a little toothpaste. That's all it took to bring these lenses back. Well, goddamn. Welcome to the 90s.